To initially verify your installation or to manually initiate a test at any time, press the menu button on the group screen, select Run a Group Test, and select either the 30-second or 90-minute test. After a confirmation screen, the test will begin to run. For the 30-second test, please keep the FirstLink application open until the test is complete. For the 90-minute test, you can safely close the application and come back later. Once the test is complete, download the test results from the lights by getting within communication distance with at least one group light, selecting the group menu, and pressing Read Test Results. The FirstLink system will begin pulling test data from all the group lights through the mesh network to the app. Once reading is complete, the status of the lights is shown in the project. You have the option to create a report, and you are prompted to back up the project to the cloud. Individual zones can also be manually tested in the same way. Open the zone menu and select Run Zone Test. Then follow the same process as with the group.